Today, we are here with our latest brand launch, Cerruti 1881. Some men's watches that cannot be overlooked are the Razzuolo Automatic Watch. It has a round dial that is protected with scratch-resistant sapphire-coated glass. With 50-meter water resistance, a stainless steel case, and a secure clasp, it is perfect for everyday wear. Next is the Turchino Black Dial Watch. This multifunction watch has an applied sub-dial with an engraved texture. It comes with a ceramic top ring plating and 100-meter water resistance. Next is the Positano watch. It features a chronograph functionality and superior Japanese movement. With anti-reflection glass, water resistance up to 50 meters and a deployment clasp, this watch is as secure as functional. Next, the exquisite French-designed Cerruti women watches. The Cerruti Analog Watch with a 3-hand functionality. It has a striking green dial with stone indices. Powered by Japanese movement and protected with a sapphire-coated glass, it comes with a butterfly buckle. Lastly, we have the beautiful Rendinara watch. It features a top ring of ion-plated rose gold and a white mob dial. Made with superior quality surgical stainless steel, it is durable and fits every occasion.